Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So join me today, let's make plantain meat pie together. And if you like this recipe, please like and share. So to start without wasting much time, place your pan on the heat, then spray some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up. After that, add in your chopped onion and stir fry for a few minutes. After that, go ahead to add in your blended meat. As you can see in this video, I marinated my meat and left it in my fridge for overnight. After you stir fry your meat for a few minutes, then go ahead to add in some water and allow it to cook for a few minutes. So next, go ahead to add in your vegetables. I added diced mixed bell pepper, carrots and also some salt. You can also adjust your spices if there is any need for that. Stir fry for a few minutes, and after that take it off the heat and transfer it to your plate and let it cool down. So next, go ahead to clean your plantain. Before cutting your plantain, make sure you wash it. So after you are done cutting the plantain, transfer them to your pot or your pan, then add in some water, cover the pot and let it cook until it becomes soft. And once you are done cooking your plantain, go ahead to take it off the heat, then peel off the back and transfer the plantain into your mixing bowl. After that, use your masher to mash the plantain until it becomes smooth and you are very sure that there is no lumps in it. And after that, go ahead to start adding in your flour gradually. So while adding your flour, keep on mixing with your spatula. And also make sure you do not add too much flour to your plantain. And for this recipe, I'm not going to be using all the flour here. I'm only going to be using just half of it. So after you form a smooth ball dough with your plantain, go ahead to transfer it to your cling film. Then use your palm to press down the dough until it becomes flat. You can also use a rolling pin to roll the dough. After that, go ahead to add in your meat filling. So next, go ahead to add in some cheese. You can also skip this part, it is optional. And once you are done, go ahead to fold it, then use your hand to seal the edges. And after you are done, you can also use a round shaped soup plate to give your meat pie a nice pie shape. Next, go ahead to use a fork to make a tiny hole on your meat pie to help the heat to penetrate inside it when you start baking. So guys, make sure you preheat your oven for at least 10 to 15 minutes. And after that, go ahead to place in your meat pie and let it bake for at least 15 to 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, go ahead to take out your plantain meat pie from the oven, serve and enjoy while it is still hot. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Also like and share this video. See you guys in my next video.